doubt that choices have been made to unpick the lock on the prison door. Yeah.
So we've chosen to come into this reality, like before we were born? Is that what you're saying? We actually made this conscious choice to come here?
We weren't born. We weren't born. The telescope was born. The lens was born. Then we looked through it.
I love it.
You know what I mean?
I love it.
It's a completely different way of looking at reality.
Absolutely.
I wasn't born. The lens that I'm experiencing this reality through was born. So what we call, indigo children are consciousness, and I think there's some that indigo is a bit, sometimes exaggerated. But are there people, especially now, as we're reaching this point of this transformation? Are they now coming in or looking through the lens and experiencing and interacting with this by choice? Absolutely. I mean, is there someone holding a gun to their head and saying, look through that bloody telescope and do as you're told? No, it's choice, because it's about perception. And I can look here at a brick, and I can have a certain view of reality. And then I can start walking backwards from the brick. And I see the brick's a house. And I see the house is in a street. And I'm going up the hill, and now I'm seeing the streets in a town, and the town's in a country, and the country's in a world, and it's the planet. Oh, and now it's a solar system, and now it's a universe. Now, from there, staring at the brick at close range, different point of perception. Looking through the lens, being aware of reality beyond the lens. So decisions are made by this, and we then try to work them out from this level. I think there was a line in the Matrix, what about free will was the thing, and it was, you mean I don't have a choice? And the comeback was, you've already made your choice. What you have to do now is understand it. So this is the choice. I didn't decide to do what I've done so far in my life. When I was a child or youngster in a council house in Leicester, that choice of everything that's happened to me was made here. Now I need to understand why I made that choice. Why did I make the choice to go through mass ridicule in Britain in the early 90s? I now understand that choice. It set me free. It broke and smashed and dismantled all those firewalls of limitation, of fearing what other people thought of me. That's what it did. And that's why here, knowing that that's what I would experience to deprogram the body computer system, not deprogram me, mind, unconsciousness, deprogramming the body computer system with all its programs that I was going to use as a vehicle. And if we, again, it's reading the signs of life, which I mentioned earlier. This is all part of the same thing. Not do I have choice, but why did I make the choices that have put me here? And again, it's the science of life. And if you understand why you made the choice to experience what you're experiencing, then you start to control your life. You start to live life instead of letting life live you, as I've said. And so we have made choices here to be where we are now, okay? Let's now understand why we made that choice. Why are we here now when all this is happening? Because we've come to change what is happening. So let's bloody do it and get on with it, and then have a bloody beer.